Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I am going to discuss a new car insurance company in Canada where you can get free Canadian insurance for car so that you can buy the car you want. So at first the website today I review, that name is lowestrate.ca. Compare cheap car insurance quotes in Ontario for free. On average, Ontario drivers save hundreds of dollars per year by comparing quotes with us. In the menu section, you can find auto insurance, home insurance, mortgage, life insurance, credit cards, resource center, more. Here you can see get quotes from 50 plus Canadian providers in 3 minutes. At first you need to provide your zip code or postal code so that you can find the car you want to buy. In the below, compare rates from Canada leading auto insurance providers. Canadian 29,595 have compared rates and saved money over the last 24 hours. Out of the buyers, there you can see some of 5-star and 4-star. The client say was pleasantly surprised by the prompt response to any inquiry online. Hope it's within a few hours I received a call from a broker who explained the types of insurance. How comparing auto insurance quotes work. Hint, it's free. Share, compare, save. Compare in Ontario auto insurance quotes to find your lowest rate. Not only does Ontario have more drivers than any province in Canada, but it also has the most expensive car insurance in the country. The average cost of a car insurance policy for an Ontario driver is $106,055 according to 2020 estimates from the Insurance Bureau to Canada. There is a lot of money, but there are still ways to find saving and auto insurance. So that's all for the part 1 in this video. I will discuss part 2 or part 3 in the next video.